Okay, let's get more on the markets now with Victoria Scholar. She's a market analyst at IG Group in London. Good to have you back with us, Victoria. Now, can I start with oil prices? As I mentioned, we're seeing a huge surge in crude right now. Can you tell us more about why traders are feeling a bit more optimistic about oil?
Yeah, well, we saw Brent crude up by as much as 13% at one point today. Remember that it was languishing at 18-year lows just a couple of sessions ago. Now, that was after Black Monday. We saw a massive slump in the price of oil when Russia failed to cooperate with the Saudis in a bid to curb production, which would in turn push up prices. When Russians didn't want to cooperate, the Saudis went the other way and essentially turned on the taps, and that means that there's been a glut of oil out there in the markets. And on top of that, of course, we know there are a lot of demand pressures given that there is the coronavirus and the economic fallout there. Now, the reason why we're seeing prices start to turn around today is because of Donald Trump, who said that this price war between the Saudis and the Russians could be starting to alleviate, and they could be coming together to curb production once again. It's interesting to see that prices are essentially languishing in the 20s when Brent crude was up around 70 at the start of the year.
Okay, let's look at stock markets now because they seem to be regaining some ground this session. Can you tell us what investors are looking out for today?
Yeah, well, I think it's that initial jobless claims number, which has actually just come out in the last few seconds, and it came in at 6.6 million. That was compared to the previous week of 3.3 million. So another sharp jump, another 6.6 million Americans filing for unemployment, and that essentially just lays bare the extent of the fallout from COVID-19. That's what a lot of investors are really focusing on today. And tomorrow we get the non-farm payrolls report as well, which is another gauge on the labour market, some more insight into the unemployment picture. We'll also get the US unemployment rate. It will be for the previous month though, so it won't show us all of the details of the fallout from the pandemic. We'll have to wait to next month to see how it's really playing out.
Okay, Victoria Scholar from IG Group in London. Thank you for your analysis as always.